Charity's birthday on Easter Sunday, so we will just celebrate today, Saturday. And we're going to Bozeman. This is the Jefferson River.
Today we're going to go by three of the rivers that make the route to Missouri: the Jefferson, the Madison, and the Gallatin. We'll pass over all three of them.
The Jefferson, the Madison, and the Gallatin.
It's not 24 right now.
Driver now, and that is the passenger. And Charity is just relaxing because it's her birthday.
Charity's scared. It might be her last day. Fast, you cannot take your eyes off the road very far. You just look real quick, especially when you're on a curve. But get your blinker back on and get back over. Get in one lane and fall right down the middle. They can slow it down a little bit too. Now we can see the mighty Missouri.
Right here.
Headquarters. It's pretty wide now. Three big rivers come into it. Very beautiful area. This will wind its way back to Townsend and into Helen and then Great Falls.
But it's not running.
You're on a curve, you can't sit there looking in the mirror for the truck. You glance real fast, you'll be back on the road. If you start looking in the mirror 80 miles an hour, it'll kick you right off that road and you'll be looking down there dead, killing somebody else.
Here,
around.
Grace. Here's the river.
You don't
What
know
is-
what river it is. Corner, it looks like this is a other thing. Things have changed since I came in here before. Is this where two rivers come together right here? Yeah, well, one of these. Is there a river coming here and one there or no?
This is the river, the two rivers that meet together. The
They've got the
Madison,
Jefferson over here and the Madison right here, and they're coming together. Then down here a little bit further,
Jefferson,
the
and then
Gallatin
the
comes into it.
Madison here.
It comes to Missouri.
It comes to Missouri. Goes to Missouri. See that twirl? It goes
So that's
down. See?
that can pull you down.
Yeah.
So you got this water coming in like this one.
This is Madison here, and that's a Jefferson River there, and they meet together. It's somebody's fishing. Hmm? Kain is in the car. In. The birthday celebrant.
You're so stupid.
The birthday.
You are.
Look at that one. You'll be. That's kind.
This is not gonna move all the way.
I need pee so bad.
Oh, jeez. It is a mining place, but they have people
I don't know what
working.
they make. It's a trident, whatever trident is. It's a mineral of some kind.
They don't have much. Oh, they have people working there. I see cars.
Yeah, there's cars over there. There's trains that come through and pick up.
Yeah.
There's some kind of a mill there where they grind it down.
See that twirl? It goes
So that's-
down. See?
That can pull you down.
Yeah.
So you got this water coming in like this one.
This is Madison here, and that's a Jefferson River there, and they meet together. It's somebody's fishing. Hmm? Kain is in the car. In.